Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at RLD Avita, which is located in Madhavaram, Chennai, a project developed by RLD Builders. And today we are here to do the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project, and this is the land parcel and you can check out the tower itself. So basically, after looking at the tower, you can say it's nearly positioned project and the marketing office is available in this tower itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project with the help of this miniature. So basically this project is constructed on total 2.26 acres of land parcel consisting of 6 towers with each tower of stilt plus 5 floors, having 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies and even Jodi apartment is available. Now let's discuss the location part, and basically this project is located in next lane of Madhavaram Botanical Garden in Madhavaram, Chennai. And now let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will take you towards New Madhavaram bus stand, and the opposite side road will take you towards Madhavaram Botanical Garden. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, Veramal Global School is 100 meters away. You can connect to Murari Metro in 900 meters. Reliance Market is 3.2 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and the project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities like here's the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, here's a garden area with sit-out area, there is a yoga deck on rooftop, banquet hall, mini theatre, kids play area and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built-up area, so as mentioned, this project provides you 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. 2 BHK starting from 962 square feet to 1394 square feet. 3 BHK is 1375 to 1738 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process. So the project booking window is operational right now and we are inviting our interested client to come and visit the site. So our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flight as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of RLD Avita, which is located in Madhavaram, Chennai, a project developed by RLD Builders.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.